I'm so excited. Not 2001 Dodge Ram 1500 comes in, says his master cylinder is running, so he unplugged it. So this ABS controller is shorted and it's just keeping this pump on. I went through and I unplugged the front two wheel speed sensors and it still came on. And then I unplugged the rear speed sensor off the differential and it still came on. So this one's gonna need a, after reading about it, it seems like this is pretty common. There's a relay in here that stays on. I did measure ohms on the pump. There was a few, that's all there should be. It runs pretty smooth still. These controllers do come off. There's 4 bolts. I guess you can just replace them, or they can be rebuilt, or you can replace them as the whole pump. So this one's gonna need an ABS electronic controller, shorted. So nice and short, nice and short.